consumption about I've been driving leaner 0.0. I'm gonna try to remove this SID2. I think this is SID2. It has 4 buttons in rows. So I have this problem with the pixels. I probably can find some old videos showing some of it. I don't want to do it now. I have to connect the battery and so on. It's winter and so on, so I'll just try to remove it and try to fix these pixel errors. First, using just a screwdriver, gently pushing. It's the SID2, and then we have to figure this out. It's some kind of latch or something. Also, this fasten seat belt lamp is not working, so I'm gonna try to replace that little bulb there while I'm at it. I'm gonna try to re-glue this and this one, just see if I can find anything wrong with the SID display. I'm just gonna try to glue this back. First attempt. I have bought a new ribbon, but I will try it just to heat it up. You can see that looks like it's been worse at this side than this side. The glue looks better here than here. You can see in the middle there's some kind of, yep. So I'm heating this up now. I put it at 350. Bought a new one, 350, with this kind of tip. Silicone tip on top of the brass or whatever it is. So I'm starting to heat it up. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, looking here, looks a bit damaged. Maybe I did that. This one seems to go here, and I don't think they're going some. I don't know if they're going anywhere. And maybe I just try this out, see what happens, see if it becomes any better. Otherwise I replace it. So I ordered 2 of them in case I would fail, and this one is already losing its glue. This is a bit better, but they're not exactly matching. So I don't know what's about that. This is supposed to be for SID2. They match on this side, on the left side, but there's missing some. You can see here, missing some. Don't know if they're needed or not, but it makes you suspicious when they're not exactly the same. Like this is just extra. Clean them. You can see them in some kind of light somewhere, but they're not up here, unfortunately. I don't know why. It's just a few on this side. There, you can see them there, 4, 1281, and then it's nothing. That's strange. We'll see how this goes. Got a bad feeling about this one. The 4 ones up here, you can see them there, hardly. They seem to act with this, the 4 ones there. So yeah, the rest is just fake. But this side is pretty important, I believe, because we have them all the way here, almost all the way. So those are important, I guess. It's pretty loose compared to the other one. So I think we'll do this last. Remember, it should be it that way. Yeah, the display is back in place. I don't know if I managed to put it right. It was hard to get them tight and get them exactly over where it should be. So we'll see if some short will come, or if I'm lucky and manage. I'm also gonna replace this bulb here. I believe it's broken. It's the seat belt bulb. Yep. Yeah, by the way, it's a T5 halogen that I'm replacing, 1.2 watt. So I'm replacing this one. It's broken, even though it looks quite whole. It's still broken, gives too much resistance. Yeah, let's try it. I've hooked it up. Let's see if it smokes. Well, still some problem, but and fasten seatbelt is lit. Nice. That didn't work before, so that, yeah. And the fan, yeah. Still electric problems. Turn it off. Still got that fan. Need to unhook the battery.